lang sa lobby, request for duo. Di ko akalaing ikaw pala ang magiging mundo. Nagka-chemistry sa team, pati sa tawan. Hanggang sa support kita, naging mahal kita san. Every game ikaw ang karangkap ko. Tangka sa harap ako yung damage mo. Sa chat, puro GG babe. Sa calling at kalab bago matulog late. Akala ko this game was ours to win. Di ko alam may ibang invite kang tinatanggap din. Nauna ako sa queue pero siya ang sinagot mo. Ako ang unang duo pero siya ang naging totoo. We were the perfect duo, side by side. Healing your pain while I swallowed mine. You held my hand through every fight, but dropped me first when it felt too tight. You played me well, combo sweet, but love isn't just a game you can delete. Naalala mo pa ba yung emotes nating dalawa? Recall kiss at heart sticker sa gitna ng giyera. Pero ngayon wala nang invites, no pinks. Tahimik na ang lobby, ikaw na lang ang may win. Napapractice pa rin akong mag-isa, pero yung slot ng duo bakante pa rin talaga. Lahat binigay ko buff cover kahit ako'y patay. Pero ikaw iniwan akong EFK sa laban ng tunay. Manipathic duo, side by side. Healing your pain while I swallowed mine. You held my hand through every fight, but dropped me first when it felt too tight. You played me well, combo sweet, but love isn't just a game you can't delete. Now I see your profile with someone new. You said I was just a phase you never meant to pursue. You queue with me for comfort, not commitment. And I play for forever, you play for achievement. So next time someone calls for a duo match, make sure it's not just another warm-up batch.